Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. This is a 2001 Honda 400EX. I've been having some head gasket problems with it. Normally these are a pretty reliable engine, but this is an 01, so it's 21 years old, 22 years old right now. And it's got some parts that have worn out on it. Recently I've replaced the timing chain of, trying to think what else. Just a few minor parts really, not a ton. But I've been having head gasket issues, and I got the head milled a little bit and the cylinder top surface machined also, so that it should hopefully not blow a head gasket anymore. Putting it all together, putting these valve cover bolts on, and the last one I was putting in is stripped out. You get that a lot with these because they're aluminum. So the threads that you're threading into are aluminum. I've had problems with the head studs also. I've got Heli-Coils in, I think, all of them now. So I'm just going to show you how to easily put a Heli-Coil in one of these when they strip out on you. I've got a kit of these from Amazon. So I'm just going to go ahead now and take all these bolts out. I've already got the 12mm middle bolt out, all of these 8mm out, and take this valve cover off and get it out of the way. So here's my kit from Amazon. The kit comes with a drill bit, a tap, a tool for installing the Heli-Coil, and then this is for breaking the little end off of it. I'll show you what that looks like here. So that is what the tool hooks onto and spins. Once you get it in place, you use the other tool and break that piece off. So we're going to go ahead and start with the drill bit. And I'm going to drill the hole out. It would be ideal to have the head off. This front bolt here on the left side is stripped out. So I have my drill bit. I'm going to try to drill it straight. Drilled out. I'm going to go ahead and run the tap through it right here. Run this through a couple times, get some threads in there, and then we will be able to install a Heli-Coil. Ideally, you'd want to be using the T-handle that comes with it, but it won't really fit in here, so I'm just using this crescent wrench, and it's going in there and cutting some threads pretty good. Just going to keep doing this, back it out, clean the metal shavings out, and then do it again. Okay, my tap is going in and out pretty easy now. I got some pretty good threads cut, which it is aluminum, so it does cut pretty easy. Looks like my surface isn't real good right here. Okay, I'm just going to take my insert with the prong down and get it in here and get it started, hopefully. Got my installation tool here to help with that. Come on. There we go, it's started in now. And we're just going to spin it down in there. Okay, that should be good. Okay, I got the installation tool out. Just took a little bit of work. This is the breaker tool. We're just going to put that in there and then just give it a little tap with a hammer. And then hopefully we can get this back out. Okay, once I sat the camera down and got my other hand up there to help get it out, the removal tool came right out and the Heli-Coil's down in there. I think I'm going to put a little silicone around this top. Hopefully this silicone will be able to help seal it up in a couple spots here so we don't get leakage right onto the exhaust. Okay, as you can see, I got my valve cover on. I got all the bolts torqued down now, and none of them got loose, so we're going to call that a win. And I'm going to continue putting this quad back together so I can race it this weekend. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out.